Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Motorola model and Android version so you pick the correct method. Once done, open Settings and tap Build number 7 times to enable developer options. This unlocks advanced features. Make sure to enable USB debugging and OEM unlocking when present, because these allow system-level changes. You'll use these options to access tools or ADB later. Keep battery above 50% and back up any important data before proceeding to avoid accidental loss. Now you implement the change using ADB or a system tweak. If using ADB, install platform tools on your PC, connect the phone, authorize the prompt, and run the command that sets navigation bar visible to 0. This hides the bar at the system level. Alternatively, switch to gesture navigation in Settings or install a trusted launcher that can replace the system UI. Make sure to test gestures right away if gestures feel off. Adjust sensitivity or learn the new swipes before continuing. Finish by rebooting the phone and verifying the navigation bar remains hidden across apps and the lock screen. If you need the bar back, reverse the ADB command or revert to the original launcher. You can also re-enable navigation in Settings. If something goes wrong, return to developer options, confirm USB debugging and OEM toggles, and reconnect to ADB to diagnose errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if gestures break, clear the launcher's defaults or reinstall the system UI tweak to restore normal navigation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.